Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the latest update on how to send a picture with text in Gmail chat on your PC. This feature makes it easier than ever to share images along with your messages. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to gmail.com. If you're not already signed in, enter your credentials and get ready to spice up your chats. Once you're in Gmail, look for the grid icon that's the 9 dots next to your profile photo. Click on that icon to reveal a menu of apps and choose Chat. This action will take you to the chat interface, where you can connect with your contacts. Now, find the chat where you want to send the picture. Scroll through your active conversations or use the search bar if you're searching for a specific person. Click on the chat to open it. Once you're in the chat conversation, look for the paperclip icon labeled Upload File. Clicking on this will open a file browser window, allowing you to select the picture you want to share. After choosing your image, click Open. Now, you can add some context. Type your message in the text box under the image. This is a great opportunity to explain the picture or add a personal touch. Finally, hit the Send button, and voila! Your picture along with your message is on its way. And there you have it. Sending pictures with text in Gmail chat on your PC is quick and straightforward with these new updates. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.